chickens. Hey, I heard that. There's Mr. Starling too. Yeah, I hear you. Okay, well I got some treats for you. I'm just gonna put them right here. I'm sure you're watching. There you go. Oh. Okay, someone's gonna get them. Whoa. Spooked him. Yeah. Get it. Little sachet walk. Hey. We got a couple other starlings around. See, we still got this guy. Oh, there goes the crow. Where's he going? Whatever. And then there's that guy right there. Alright, well, everyone's gonna be happy. Everyone gets a meal. I don't know where that crow is. He's up there somewhere. Just gonna have to catch up to me, I guess. Where's he at? Oh, didn't even see you there. I'm looking in the tree. Well, hi. Okay, zoom back out, and we'll give you a treat. There we go. Oh, here comes someone. It's behind the tree. Well, hope you guys saw that. I think he's looking at it. Well, alright, I gotta get going. Oh, I see this sparrow got it. Oh, I think one of them's, yep, alright, good. Alright, see you guys later. There he is. He's somewhere in the tree. Where are you going? Okay. Well, now I'll just have to do. I know he came to me. Okay. So right here. Maybe a little more. There we go. Oh. Difficulties in the wind. We'll be back. It's on a tree. I'm on the other side of the sidewalk now. Get on the sidewalk where it's safe. You'll find it. Just on the upstairs side. Someone's coming. Hey. Oh, right above me. Okay. you get that. Just thinking about it. I think he's gonna get it. I gotta get going though. Oh, there we go. Hi, Hagrid. Hi, Remington. So cool.